Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we explore the smartest innovations that make your life safer, easier, and more connected. Today, we're checking out a truly advanced home security setup, the eufy Security SoloCam E30 4-cam pack kit, the all-in-one wireless solar-powered surveillance solution designed for next-generation protection. If you're tired of subscription-based security systems, this one's for you. The SoloCam E30 offers complete security coverage with no monthly fees, ever. It's an investment that keeps paying off, combining 2K ultra-clear video quality, AI tracking, and 360 degrees pan coverage, all powered by the sun. Each camera in this 4-pack system runs completely wire-free, using built-in solar panels to stay charged 24/7, no messy cables, no climbing ladders for constant recharging. Once mounted, you can just set it and forget it. What makes it stand out is the AI-powered motion tracking. The E30 automatically follows moving subjects within its field of view, keeping every detail in focus. Whether it's a person, vehicle, or pet, the AI recognizes and records intelligently, minimizing false alerts and ensuring you never miss what matters most. The 2K clarity gives crisp daytime footage and impressive night vision, while the 360 degrees pan and 70 degrees tilt offer unmatched visual coverage. You can remotely control and view footage directly through the eufy Security app, receiving instant alerts straight to your smartphone. Installation is quick and flexible, perfect for backyards, driveways, entrances, or even remote areas thanks to its solar-powered endurance. Built with IP65 weather resistance, these cameras are ready to withstand rain, wind, and heat year-round. And because eufy believes in privacy, your footage is stored locally, not on a cloud server, giving you total control and peace of mind. So, if you're ready to upgrade to a smarter, subscription-free security system that's powerful, sustainable, and effortless, the eufy Security SoloCam E30 4-cam pack kit is the one to get. Click the link below to grab yours now, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Gadgetverse for more smart tech that secures and simplifies your world.